everyone! Welcome back to BayanakaFX. Today we're diving into some fascinating consumer shopping trends for 2024. According to the latest research from impact.com, people are spending their money more strategically than ever. So what are the key trends we need to know this year? Let's explore them together. First up, we have post-pandemic, consumers have reduced their purchases by 7% in 2023 compared to 2022. People are prioritizing essential items like groceries and gas, cutting back on discretionary spending. This cautious approach resulted in fewer transactions throughout most of 2023, except for a 6% increase in December. Consumers are strategically waiting for sales-heavy seasons to make their purchases. Next, let's talk about despite a reduction in the number of transactions, the average order value saw a modest 2% increase. This suggests that while people are buying fewer items, the items they are purchasing are more expensive, likely due to inflation. Interestingly, categories like arts and entertainment saw a significant rise in consumer spending with an 89% year-over-year AOV increase in October 2023. Moving on to, in 2023, there was a notable 29% decline in clicks, but a 32% increase in conversion rates. This indicates that consumers are more deliberate with their purchases. Instead of browsing or making impulse buys, they're focusing on items already on their wish lists, often influenced by strategic partnerships and discount offers from brands. Now let's discuss. Although consumers are saving money on essentials, they're ready to splurge during major sales events like Cyber Week, Mother's Day, and Memorial Day. Buy now, pay later, BNPL options, saw a 42% increase year over year, allowing consumers to manage their finances while making bigger purchases in discretionary categories such as home and garden and arts and entertainment. Lastly, we have the partnerships have proven to be a powerful tool for brands. By collaborating with trusted partners, less recognizable brands can increase awareness and drive purchase intent through discount offers and strategic positioning. For example, a slight increase in advertiser spending led to higher conversion rates and significant boosts in consumer spending for categories like arts and entertainment. To wrap it up, these 5 trends highlight how consumers are becoming more strategic with their spending in 2024. Brands need to adapt by offering value through partnerships, strategic discounts, and focusing on essential items to stay on top of consumers' wish lists. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to BayanakaFX for more insights on investment and economic trends. See you in the next video. Shop smart, stay informed, and make the most of your purchases in 2024. Thanks for watching.